Welcome back to All Rustic, where we celebrate beautiful home design and inspiring decor ideas that bring warmth and personality into every space. Today, we're transforming an ordinary sunroom into a whimsical cottage retreat filled with romantic charm, hanging peonies, and timeless vintage metal accents. If you love cozy cottage interiors, creative DIY decorating projects, and elegant floral styling, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments about your favorite cottage-inspired decorating ideas. Styling hanging peonies for cottage charm. The heart of this whimsical sunroom makeover begins with cascading hanging peonies that instantly create a soft, enchanting atmosphere. Whether using high-quality faux blooms or preserved flowers, hanging arrangements add vertical interest while drawing the eye upward, making the room feel larger and more magical. Soft blush pinks, creamy whites, and delicate pastel tones complement the natural sunlight pouring through the windows. By suspending peony clusters from ceiling hooks, vintage baskets, or rustic wooden beams, the sunroom transforms into a floral sanctuary that captures the romance and beauty of an English cottage garden. Adding character with vintage metal accents. To balance the softness of the flowers, vintage metal accents introduce texture, history, and visual contrast throughout the space. Antique watering cans, distressed metal lanterns, decorative bird cages, and weathered iron plant stands help create a collected over time aesthetic that defines cottage style. The subtle patina and aged finishes tell a story while adding authenticity to the decor. Placing these elements among lush greenery and floral arrangements creates layers of interest that make the room feel inviting, lived in, and full of character without appearing overly decorated. Layering cozy cottage details. Once the floral displays and metal accents are in place, the next step is layering cozy textures and personal touches. Soft linen curtains, floral patterned cushions, vintage-inspired rugs, and painted wooden furniture contribute to the relaxed cottage atmosphere. Natural materials such as wicker baskets, reclaimed wood tables, and woven throws add warmth while maintaining an airy and welcoming feel. Small decorative details like vintage books, ceramic pitchers, and handmade candles complete the look, creating a peaceful sunroom designed for morning coffee, afternoon reading, or simply enjoying the beauty of the surrounding garden. Conclusion: a sunroom filled with whimsy and warmth. This whimsical cottage sunroom DIY proves that a few carefully chosen elements can completely transform a space into a charming retreat. The graceful hanging peonies, timeless vintage metal accents, and thoughtfully layered cottage decor work together to create a room that feels both elegant and comforting. We hope this makeover inspires you to bring a touch of cottage magic into your own home. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to All Rustic for more home design and decor inspiration, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below sharing which feature you would love to add to your dream sunroom. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next inspiring home transformation.